In case you're not aware, this song, Silent Sky, is one of my original pieces. If you think you might want to learn this song, I recommend that you click the link in the description to listen to the whole song first. Make sure that it's something you actually want to learn. I would consider this piece to be around a medium level of difficulty. That said, I'll go through it nice and slow, so even if you're a beginner, you have a good chance of being able to learn it. So we're going to start by finding a G. To find the G, look for 3 black notes in a row, and the G is the white note between the first 2 of those black notes. Now with the left hand, we're going to play 2 of those Gs, one with the pinky, one with the thumb, or fingers 5 and 1. And the G that we're playing with the pinky is the second one up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. Okay? And obviously the thumb then is the third one up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. Okay, so we're going to start by playing those 2 Gs, and at the same time we're going to play a third G with finger number 3, or our middle finger, in the right hand. Like this. We're also going to play one more note at the same time, and that's a D right here between the 2 black notes with our thumb, or finger 1. Okay. So we're going to play all 4 of those notes, the 2 Gs in the left hand, the G in the right hand, as well as this D with finger 1. So we have fingers 5, 1, 1, and 3. So after we play those, we're going to lift up our thumb and play that D again. Notice how when I play the first one, I bounce the D right up. So the D comes right up and down again. As we play that D, we're going to lift up finger 3 to play that G again. So we have, but when we play this G the second time, the left hand is actually going to change right there. So the left hand is going to release the 2 Gs and play a D with finger 2. Like that. From there, the right hand is going to play an A with finger 4, and then a B flat with finger 5. So we have, and then it's going to come back to an A with finger 4. But when we play this A with finger 4, the left hand is going to cross over with finger 2 and play a B flat. So we have, and then the right hand is going to play a G with finger 3. From the G, the right hand is going to go to an F sharp with finger 2. But when we play that F sharp with finger 2, the left hand will play an A with our thumb. And then to a G with finger 3 in our right hand. So we have, from here, the right hand is going to play a D and a G, while the left hand goes back to the B flat. And then the left hand is going to go to an A, followed by a G. The A with finger 1, the G with finger 2. Notice the rhythm there. It goes double time on that A and G in the left hand. And then the left hand is going to go to an F sharp with finger 3. When the left hand goes to the F sharp, the right hand's going to play an A with finger 4. So we have, and then the left hand is going to play G with finger 2 and A with finger 1. Again. So, and then the right hand is going to go to a B flat, while the left hand goes to an E flat with finger 4. So we have, from here, the E flat with the left hand, we're going to go to a D with finger 4 as well. Finger 4 is basically going to slide off the E flat onto the D with the same finger. So we have, and from here, the left hand is going to go to 2 F sharps with the pinky and thumb, while the right hand plays an A with finger 4. So, and then all fingers go to G's. The pinky and thumb in the left hand, and finger 3 in the right hand. So, and finally, the left hand is going to go to 2 D's with pinky and thumb. Let's do it with the pedal. Try not to press the pedal all the way down, maybe about halfway down. We want to have some sustain, but we don't want it to be overwhelming. So I'm going to say pedal every time you should release and press the pedal back down. Pedal, 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 pedal. Now let me do it without saying anything. And one more time, a little faster.